Alright guys, maiden run of the 60-inch MTI out here at my little spot. Pretty good water right now, might be a little sticky, but just the maiden. Whew, that was a hike. That boat is heavy. It is 36 pounds. So I'm gonna start by getting the steering trimmed. So far so good. All right, I think I should bring it in for temps. I think it was pretty good. All right, I got GPS right on top, so let's see it together. Okay, big bitch. Okay, I'm okay with that. 76.1. So, pretty good for a shakedown. Let's check temps. I never really got full throttle. I think maybe I tickled it a few times. But, so far so good. She is big. All right, I gotta put the camera down so I can pick this BBC up.